Global real estate is the largest, richest asset class on the planet. Yet, despite the billions flowing through these steel frames and concrete foundations every day, it remains one of the most opaque markets to navigate. We live in an era where anyone with a smartphone can broadcast property tips. Investors are flooded with millions of raw data points, rumor mills, and contradictory forecasts, leaving them completely starved for verified, actionable intelligence. A single speculative thread on social media about a zoning change can trigger a localized buying frenzy. By the time the rumor is debunked, capital is already trapped in bad assets based entirely on false market signals. Missing a real update carries an equally heavy cost. Overlooking a sudden shift in government interest rates or a quiet approval for a new commercial development means leaving massive yields on the table. To build a single, reliable investment thesis, a professional currently has to scrape local blogs, piece together outdated government portals, and cross-reference regional news. It is a massive friction point that drains both time and resources. This diagram illustrates the danger. Operating inside a fragmented network forces high-stakes property decisions through major informational gaps. Relying on disconnected sources significantly increases the likelihood of critical financial exposure. Traditional legacy publishing is too slow to fix this. Waiting days or weeks for a printed report or a static editorial means the data is already obsolete in a market driven by rapid proptech developments and real-time transactions. Surviving the modern property market requires a mechanism to instantly filter the noise, extract the facts, and convert raw global chaos into verified strategy. That filtering mechanism is Kemenews, the specialized journalistic arm engineered directly into the Kemedar proptech ecosystem. This system operates as a massive funnel for market chaos. Millions of incoming data points are instantly categorized into 19 specific pillars. At the macro level, the platform tracks tectonic shifts, capturing sweeping governmental regulations, international capital flows, and massive national infrastructure projects. For instance, detailed tracking of Egypt's new administrative capital and its burgeoning financial district allows investors to anticipate where commercial office demand will drive capital appreciation long before the concrete is even poured. Simultaneously, the platform zooms in on the microfactors. It isolates hyper-local neighborhood rental trends, specific smart finishing materials, and subtle regional legal nuances. This granular focus captures updates like Alexandria's coastal expansion clearances, detailing exactly how Phase 2 approvals unlock immediate local development opportunities along the waterfront. Fusing national data with tight, block-level insights provides a 360-degree view of the market, drastically reducing the blind spots that often plague traditional investment models. Covering 19 diverse real estate sectors at this speed raises a mechanical problem. How do you gather information that fast without sacrificing accuracy or introducing heavy bias? Kemenews solves this using a decentralized dual-stream publishing model. On one side is the institutional stream. Certified Kemedar editorial teams and verified regional franchise owners can publish high-level market data directly to the platform. On the other side is the grassroots stream. Any registered user within the ecosystem can submit raw, on-the-ground updates, like live drone footage of a construction site or early access to a new smart cement technology. However, those user submissions hit a strict editorial firewall. Every public report is held in a queue, manually vetted and cross-referenced by Kemenews supervisors before it ever reaches the live feed. This protocol successfully marries the raw speed and volume of crowdsourced grassroots reporting with the integrity of institutional verification. But in real estate, even the most accurate intelligence has little value if you cannot immediately act on it. Kemenews functions directly as the intelligence layer built natively into the Kemedar super app. The ecosystem is designed to bridge the distance between identifying a market trend and executing a transaction, streamlining the transition from insight to action. This workflow means when an investor reads a verified report about a 25% surge in Cairo's property values, they don't have to leave the platform to analyze it. A single click connects them to ThinkDar AI, allowing them to run deep, predictive market modeling on that exact data. If a contractor spots a user-submitted article about a self-healing smart concrete that cuts costs by 15%, they are routed into the Kemetro marketplace to source those exact materials for their own build. And if a user uncovers a local report detailing high rental yields in Sheikh Zayed, the platform links them directly into Kemefrac, where they can purchase fractional shares, accessible percentages of ownership, in properties within that specific neighborhood. All 19 intelligence categories are continuously pulling in global events and feeding that verified data downward, powering a unified suite of PropTech tools. Kemenews serves as the foundational intelligence engine empowering professionals to read the market, react with precision, and instantly capitalize on global real estate.